All right, good everyone. Welcome to another episode of your favorite tutor. And today it is your favorite tutor on mathematics. Today we'll be talking about algebra. Algebra. What should comes to mind? Now, when we hear the word algebra, what should comes to mind is letters, symbols, variables. That is the use of variables, letters, symbol in mathematical terms, expression or equation. All right, I have something on the board, but before we go further, make sure that you are with your book and Bible. You are going to do something for me. It's going to look as if I'm doing magic, but it's not actually magic. It's just mathematics. You know that sometimes mathematics looks like magic. All right, let's do this. You will do it. Then I will do mine to confirm. Think of a number. Write it down. Now, the number that you think of, it is your original number. Write it down. Don't show me. Just put it down right there. Add 15 to it. Have you done that? Okay. Next step. Double the results. That means multiply the result by 2. So multiply it by 2. The next one, add the results to the number you first thought of. Now the number you first thought of, which is your original number, add it again to the result. Okay, have you done that? Alright, the next one, divide the result by 3. Now your result, divide it by what? 3. Okay, the last one, take away the number you first thought of. So the number you first thought of, which is your original number, subtract it from the result. Just subtract it. Yes, take it away, subtract it. Have you done that? The result is 10. So whatever number you thought of, you must have 10 as your result, which is your answer. Now, how did I do that? With the use of what? Algebra. The algebra concept. That is the use of letters, variables, or symbols, as the case may be. Alright, let me show you how I did the magic. Okay. Just take this thing down. Alright. The first step says, think of a number. I don't know the number the number in your mind or the number that you wrote down. Since I don't know, I represent it with a symbol, a variable of my choice. Okay, I will say A to represent whatever number you thought of. Add 15 to it. So it's what? A plus what? 15. A plus 15, the same thing as what? A plus 15. They are not like terms, so they cannot add up. So we leave it like that. Double the results. Multiply the result by what? 2. So we'll multiply A by 2, and then we'll multiply 15 by what? 2. So therefore 2 times A plus 2 times what? 15. 2 times A is what? 2A plus 2 times 15 is what? 30. Okay, we have done this. Add the results to the number you first thought of. So that original number, we should add it again. What did I use to represent your number? I use A to represent your number. So we add it again. Plus what? A. Alright, these two, they are like terms. What do? We collect like terms. So this is what? 2A plus what? A plus 30. 2A plus A is what? 3A plus what? 30. Alright. Okay, so therefore that's 3A plus what? 30. Alright, so we have done this. Alright, the next one, divide the result by 3. So we divide 3a by 3. We divide 30 by what? 3. Divided by 3. Divided by what? 3. 3 will cancel out 3. So this is a plus 30 divided by 3 is what? 10. Alright, we have done this. Take away the number you first thought of. So your original number, we take it away, which is subtraction. So therefore, this is what? Minus a. They are like terms, so we collect like terms. A minus a plus what? 10. A minus a is what? 0 plus what? 10. 0 plus 10 is what? 10. And then your answer is what? 10. You can see how beautiful this thing is. Very beautiful, isn't it? So with the use of algebra, what do? We use it to manipulate symbols, and then we have the word answer. With the use of algebra, represent an unknown number with a letter. That is just it. So you can try it, try many things, you can use it. It's like magic. It happens so well, and it is good. All right. Another thing we need to know is the use of these symbols. How do we use the symbols? We have the addition rule, the subtraction rule, multiplication rule, and our division rule. All right, before we move further, take this thing down, take it down. Okay, all right. So these letters, how do we use them? Let's start from the first one. Let's start with addition. So if I say a plus a plus a, this is equals to what? 3a. A plus a plus a. That is, what am I doing? I'm adding all of them together. Is equals to what? 3. They are what? Like terms, so I can easily add them together to have what? 3a. A represents an unknown value, just as the word we work here, or the one we did here, the one we do here. So represent an unknown value, just add it. Or let us say, let's make it simple now. Let's say A represents a word. Okay, let's say apple. Apple plus apple plus apple is equals to what? 3 apple. I think this one is fair enough. Okay. So if I say apple plus apple minus apple, apple plus apple is what? 2 apple minus apple. How many apple do you have? Just an apple. So it's equals to what? A. Yeah, this one is okay. This one is good. All right. So if I say A minus A is equals to what? 0. Okay, let's go further. So if I say A plus B, what do you think this one will be? Think. Okay, time up. A plus B is equals to what? A plus what? B. They are not like terms, so they cannot just act like that. So it's what? The same thing as what? A plus B. Okay, let's go further. If I say AB plus AB, what will this one be? Okay, think. The time is up. All right, this is equals to what? 2AB. They are like terms, isn't it? Just as the way we did here, the way we do this act here, the same thing we are doing here. They are like terms. What we do, just what? Add it. All right. If I say 2A plus B. Now, this is the same thing as what? 2A plus what? B. They are not like terms, so they cannot add. They remain the same. Just leave it like that. Is that clear? Yes, sir. Okay, let's go to multiplication. Let's go to multiplication. A times A. What do you think? This is equals to what? A raised to the power of what? 2. In multiplication, it adds to the word power, which is the exponential. So that's why we have it like this. So if I say A times A times A, this is what? A raised to the power of what? 3. Is that clear? So are we good to go? Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go to division. No, one more. So if I say 2A times A, what do you think? This is equals to what? 2A raised to the power of what? 2. A times A is what? A raised to the power of 2. Then 2 multiply them through. So it's what? 2A raised to the power of what? 2. Okay, so if I say A times B, so what is this? This is what? AB. Now, one thing about multiplication is that when you multiply them, you can just join them together. But in addition, they are not like them, so they just leave it like that because it's addition. But for multiplication, since it's multiplication, they multiply themselves, they are joined together. Alright, let's go on, let's move on. So if I say 2A divided by what? A. 2A divided by A. Now this is equals to what? 2A divided by what? A. Just put it like this. A cancel out A, which is equals to what? 2. Are we good? Yes. So if I say 2AB divided by what? 2B. So this is equals to what? 2AB divided by what? 2B. 2 cancel out 2. B cancel B is equals to what? A. So if I say A divided by what? A divided by what? A. What do you think? A divided by A is equals to what? A divided by A. A cancel A. This is what? 1. Are we good to go? Is that clear? Yes, it's clear. Okay, now these are the ways we use it. We talk about what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and what? Division of what? Variables. Alright, let's move proper to algebraic terms and let us see what's there. Please take this thing down, take it down. Alright, hope you take that thing down. What we have here, this is your what? Assignment. Now for this, you are going to simplify this for me. In my next class, please simplify and then drop your answer on the comment section. This is what? 3A plus A plus B. 4A raised to the power of 2 plus A. 26AB divided by what? 2B. 6A divided by 2A. 144XYZ divided by what? 12. So these are the what? Assignment. We are going to do them. This assignment is for you. You do them, you put the answers on my comment section, and then on my next class we'll do correction, and we see how we can move further towards algebraic terms, algebraic expression, and algebraic equation. Thank you and God bless you. Please subscribe and get notification for all incoming videos. I remain your favorite tutor. Thank you and God bless you.